looking for a no-fuss approach to brewing delicious-tasting coffee at home, try the Bunn Velocity Brew. This 10-cup brewer features Bunn Quick Brew technology, allowing you to brew a full pot of coffee fast, like 3 minutes fast. It features an internal hot water tank that works by water displacement. Simply add your favorite coffee, pour water in, and let the Bunn engineered spray head work its magic, allowing you to enjoy delicious hot coffee in minutes. Velocity Brew is backed by Bunn 3-year warranty and comes with a 10-cup Pour-O-Matic drip-free carafe. This carafe is specially designed to eliminate spillage down the side of the carafe and on the warming plate. Bunn Velocity Brew allows you to consistently brew a full pot of delicious coffee quickly and with ease.
The K-Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K-Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K-Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time. The K-Elite Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer is fully featured for maximum beverage customization, and the brushed finish and metal detail blends seamlessly with your kitchen. Increase your coffee's strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the K-Elite Brewer. Select from 5 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. For full-flavored iced coffee, brew hot over ice by selecting the Iced button. Need hot water for instant soups or oatmeal? Just press the hot water button. The large removable reservoir holds 75 ounces, which means you can brew 8 cups with just 1 fill. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. And the programmable on-off allows you to set the exact time your brewer turns on in the morning, helping to save energy. Using your K-Elite Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew, hot or iced, every time.